I had this idea that the wilderness is a hot, desert, desolate place. But when we got there, I found that it's much more beautiful than I ever thought it would be.
For every Center for Holy Land Studies trips, we use culture, we use history, we look at the landscape, and we look at the spirituality of the Bible. And we weave that through our narratives as we look at sites, we look at what the Bible said when it was written so many years ago, and how those words are applied to our lives today.
We're very intentional about how we do our trips when we're in the lands of the Bible. We really care about each individual that goes on our trips.
I've had preconceived notions of what the Holy Land was like, but after going there, it just changed my whole outlook on how they lived, their culture.
The teachers that we have at the Center for Holy Land Studies are amazing.
It's very different when you have someone who's devoted not just many years to graduate studies, but their life to study of the scriptures. They're with you in that place, revealing things to you that you probably never thought of before.
When I arrived, it was honestly intense from the start. We're at sites every day. It was something that was so rich. Time seemed to pass really quickly.
This is a safe thing to do. This is a priceless experience, and it will just transform not only how I view the Bible, but how I live my life and see culture.
But when you go to Israel and you come back, you relive those memories every time you turn the pages of the Bible.
When you travel with the Center for Holy Land Studies, it's more than just a trip. It's a faith journey. We are here to partner with you so you can experience God as you travel through the lands of the Bible.